When the night is long and silence screams, when my heart is torn at the fragile seams, there's a whisper deep within my storm, a gentle voice so pure, so warm. Your name, Jesus, the name that calms in my chaos. You are the song. You speak and every shadow fades. You breathe and broken hearts are made. Your name alone, the name that calms. Yes, Jesus, you are the name that calms. When no one hears the tears I hide, and fear becomes my closest guide, you draw me close with nail-scarred hands. You're the rock where mercy stands. Your name, Jesus, the name that calms in my chaos. You are the sun. You speak and every shadow fades. You breathe and broken hearts are made. Your name alone, the name that calms, the name that calms. No other name I'll ever cry. No other voice can satisfy. In storm or peace, in rise or fall,